Yes, sir. Just wrapped up with the gym. My alarm went off at 5 o'clock, but I didn't get off the couch until it was 6. Started getting on social media, Instagram, World Star, caught up in videos, and I didn't get off the bed. I didn't get off the couch until 6 o'clock. Now, my alarm went off at 5. I procrastinated, but I still got up and got it at the end of the day. Don't make excuses for why you can't be great. Just be great on purpose. Whatever that looks like. It may not look like you getting up at 5 every morning consistently, but did you go? Did you do what you say you were going to do? Because that alone lets you be a better person. That's the first step of being a better you. I don't know how I let myself go. I stepped on the scale, I was 250 pounds. How did I do that, right? No discipline, right? Inconsistent with how I was doing things in my life, eating whatever I wanted, not working out consistently, right? And now I look at myself and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm 250 pounds. I got 3 children I gotta run behind. I want them to know that dad's gonna be able to work out with them. I want them to know that, if we gonna go on a walk or on a hike, that dad's not gonna be like, oh, I'm so tired, I can't make it. No, not gonna be me. No, sir, not gonna be me. But this time is the last time. Because every other time before this, I declare, I'm gonna do this. This is what's gonna happen. And what I do, I folded. And this is just me being real with myself, so I'm documenting it. I'm documenting the process because sometimes people do fold consistently, but that's not the end all be all. You still have the power to change your narrative. I still have the power to change my narrative. 250 pounds, that's way too crazy. I don't want to go out like that. I don't want to go out like that. No, that's not the story that's written down for me. I deserve better. But it's going to take some work. It don't just come off of lip service. It don't just come off of me saying, oh, this is how it's going to be. No, it's going to be because I put in some work. This is my journey. Better is possible. Know that. Believe it. Regardless of any situation that you're facing, better is possible, but you got to work for it. I say it, but I don't put the extra on that. It's possible if you work for it. If you just think it's possible, yeah, some good things may happen. They might transpire to give you the light that shows that, yeah, this is a real thing. It is possible. Great things can happen for you if you desire, if you're really willing to work for it. Sometimes you're going to get that glimpse of hope that shows, oh man, I was in a dark space, but dang, there's some light over there. Opportunity just came by. Somebody just called my name. Somebody spoke my name in a room full of opportunities. That job just came up. This relationship just worked out. It happens. That's that glimpse, but you got to be willing to work for it. I'm telling y'all right now, man, I'm willing to work for it. I'm willing to change my life, and hopefully it will inspire others. It will spark others to change their lives for the better of them. Understand this. Don't go out and impress everybody else. Worry about impressing yourself. Once you impress yourself, man, the world's gonna see your light. Understand, shine your light as bright as you can. Make sure that you make them wear sunglasses when they see you, because you're being the best version of you. You're shining so bright that they gotta wear sunglasses. You know the motto will forever be the same. Better is possible. Let's go.